Birds of Mendon ponds. Throughout, a hand holds a mixture of nuts, suet pellets, and seeds surrounded by skinny, barren trees. The landscape is covered in dead leaves and patches of snow. Birds fly between trees, hand, and ground. Description focuses on the action on the hand. An indecisive nuthatch finally picks a peanut. Another nuthatch and peanut. Titmouse leaves empty-handed. Nuthatch follows suit. Titmouse chooses peanut. Nuthatch flyby. Nuthatch seed. Nuthatch peanut. Swift chickadee escapes with something. Titmouse drops a seed for a peanut. Titmouse scared off by Nuthatch, who leaves abruptly with a nut. Titmouse peanut. Titmouse peanut. Chickadee also chooses a peanut. Titmouse does the same. Nuthatch follows suit. The titmouse hops among leaves. Titmouse takes a peanut. Nuthatch, peanut. And again. Chickadee goes for sunflower seed. Titmouse takes a peanut. Nuthatch sorts and flies away. Titmouse peanut. Nuthatch sunflower. Titmouse takes sunflower seed. Nuthatch another sunflower. Chickadee does the same. Titmouse too. Nuthatch sneaks something. Titmouse grabs a peanut. Another goes for sunflower. Chickadee does the same. In slow motion, a titmouse is startled away. Chickadee picks through the seed. Titmouse goes for suet nugget. Titmouse touches down to snatch a snack. Another hops below. Squirrel follows. Titmouse tosses peanut, takes another. Chickadee selects sunflower. Nuthatch leaves with suet. Titmouse leaves with nothing. Chickadee picks through sunflower seed. Sticky titmouse tosses things to the ground. Another titmouse grabs a peanut. Another drives away a chickadee, is nearly displaced, but holds ground for suet. A titmouse skids across the hand and flies away.
I've had name takers and switching hands.
Huh. Back turned, a titmouse sneaks seed. Titmouse picks through seed and is startled away. Another titmouse snatches a peanut. Then another titmouse startles another, tosses a peanut, grabs a peanut, and flies away. Chickadee takes sunflower. Then another titmouse startles another, tosses a peanut, grabs a peanut, and flies away. Titmouse lands and leaves. Nuthatch grabs sunflower. Titmouse lands and leaves. Titmouse lands and leaves. An indecisive titmouse tosses things around. Settles on sunflower and flies away. A nuthatch nearly lands, then decides better of it. A chickadee is displaced by a titmouse, who is displaced by a nuthatch, who is displaced by a titmouse who throws seed overboard while grabbing a nugget. Another titmouse selects a suet nugget and flies away. Audio description and captioning by H. May.